Hi guys, welcome to Netgate Chemistry. So today we will solve two of the questions which are being asked in the CSIR net exams. So the first question says that the equilibrium constant for the following reaction, and this is the reaction given to us. This is the reaction given at 300 Kelvin is close to. We have been given the E naught values for this one and this one. Okay, and they have also given the values of Faraday constant and gas constant. Now this is an overall net cell reaction. Why I'm saying this? Because in the final equation electrons are not appearing, so this is overall cell reaction. So if I want to write down the reactions at anode and cathode respectively, then they would be at anode oxidation takes place, right? Oxidation means removal of electrons. So definitely tin will be losing the electrons and changing to Sn2 positive. This is the oxidation taking place at anode. Now if I talk about reaction at cathode, then at cathode reduction takes place. So reaction will be like this. This is a type of reduction reaction. So overall reaction will be okay, this will be the overall reaction. Right, this is the reaction which is given to us in the question itself. So this will be the reaction at anode and this will be the reaction at cathode. If I want to know the E naught of the cell, then it will be E naught of cell will be equal to reduction potential at cathode minus reduction potential at anode. This is in terms of reduction potential. So if I put the values at cathode, Sn4 positive changing to Sn2 positive, so it will be 0.15 minus at anode it will be Sn changing to Sn2 positive, but they have given Sn2 positive changing to Sn, so minus will change into plus, or you can say, you can put it like this. So it will be 0.30 volt. So I have put this minus 0.15 because this is also the value of reduction potential. This is reduction happening here and here also reduction is happening. So both E naught of cathode and anode I am putting the reduction potential values. Okay. So now we will be getting the E naught of cell as 0.30 volt. This is the E naught of cell. Now we need to find out the equilibrium constant. So there is one relation which I would say you should learn, that is K equilibrium equals to 10 to the power n E naught upon 0.0591. Now in this equation you just need to put the values. K equilibrium will be equal to 10 to the power n is 2. Why? Because 2 electrons are getting exchanged. So n is number of electrons exchanged and that is equals to 2 multiplied by E naught value, that is 0.30 divided by 0.0591. So it will be 10 to the power 0.30 into 2, 0.60 divided by 0.0591. So it will be 10 to the power approximately 10.08, right? Because here if we take out these decimals, then it will be approximately 60 divided by 5, so that will come out to be approximately 10.08. 8. So the correct option is option C. Now with this we'll move on to the next question. The next question is very easy. It says that electrical double layer model amongst the following that consists of both fixed and diffuse layer, that we all know, that is the Stern model. Stern model talks about the electrical double layer, right, in which one is fixed and one is diffused layer. So the correct option is option C. So these are basically the two questions which were asked in the CSIR NET exams from electrochemistry part. So far that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.